Hey, how's it going, Vani? My name is Devin. I just got off the phone with Lily. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website you can fix really easily so you can start beating air on demand. These guys show up number 1 or at the top when you type in AC Repair Miami, and you want to be that company. So, you're probably wondering why I'm making this video for you. It's really simple. There's a lot of small business owners out there that are so busy taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. The only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I give away these free attack plans, and a lot of business owners just take this information and do it themselves. But some call me back and have me do it for them. Whatever you want to do with this is totally okay with me. I'm just trying to educate you and help you out a little bit if I can. I'm going to talk about 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. And I wanted to start by saying you have a gorgeous website. It's a very beautiful site. It looks professionally done. The colors all match really nicely. The animations are nice. Having a YouTube video keeps people on the page for a while. Really great things going on with your website. What Google mostly cares about is this stuff right here, all this content that you can read, and they want to see a lot of it. So the average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words of content. If I take all of your content and I put it into a word counter, you only have 241 words. While if you go to Air on Demand, your main competitor, you can see these guys have 973 words. So it's quite a bit more than you. But the good news is they're not at 2,000 words. And by getting yourself to 2,000 words, you're going to blow them out of the water. Now, one more quick tip is you want to put AC Repair Miami inside of your content. That's called a keyword. A keyword is just a phrase that somebody commonly types into Google to find your business. And if I searched it in, you can see you don't have that anywhere on your page. So as you write that extra content and get yourself up to 2,000 words, make sure you have keywords like that in there a couple times. That's my first tip. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is really important. Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of relevant or a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for you. But they do want to see relevant links. So they're going to give you a lot more power if you have another HVAC company linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. The tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There's plenty of free tools out there. Just Google backlink checker or keyword planner. You can find all this data I'm showing you. It says you have 85 websites linking to you, while Air on Demand has 503 linking to them. The easiest way to beat them is to just copy them. If the links are good enough to rank them, then they're good enough to rank you as well. All you need to do is go visit each of these websites that are linking to them and put a link on these websites back to yours. Typically, all you have to do is create a profile and put a link in the profile pointing back towards your website. Sometimes you have to click the Contact Us button and email the owner. But whatever they had to do, you're going to have to do too. And by just following those 2 tips with having more content and more relevant backlinks, that's how you take their organic spot. If you want to show up in the ads at number 1, you need to bid higher than your competitors. And if you want to be number 1 right here in the Google My Business section, this is the best place to show up. It's free to be here, and it's where the most traffic goes. You need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number is listed in different directories across the web. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, stuff like that. So what I would do if I were in your position is I would figure out what directories Reliable Air was in. I'd put myself in those exact same directories, and then I'd add a bunch more on top. If they were in 150 directories, I'd be in like 300. And that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative and helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. As a super quick recap, you want 2,000 words on this homepage. You want keywords inside of that content. I would take the same websites that are linking to Air on Demand and make them start linking to PolluxAir.com. And put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Reliable Air Conditioning. I was Vani. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. I recommend you get started on this as soon as possible, only because it does take time to implement all this, and the sooner you get started, the sooner you start profiting off of your work and making more or having more phone calls come in. If you have any questions whatsoever, or if you're just too busy to running your business, you want to keep running your business, and you want someone else to do this for you, just feel free to give me a call at any time. I put my phone number down here at the bottom right for you. I'd be happy to answer any questions and guide you in the right direction. Thank you so much for listening to me and watching this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.